Hey YouTube, it's Katana Attack. Out here gonna work on the old 68 Ford Torino, also known as the Ridge Runner. Yeah, won't fall down. Yeah, the old Ridge Runner. That was my CB handle back in the 70s. And the problem I got today is I was opening up the hood on this here vehicle and ripped the hood where it bolts to the hinge. I'll show you. You see right here, this piece here is all tore out. So my plan is I'm going to take my Sawzall, cut this out, then I'm going to clean it up on both sides, get the rust out and everything, clean it up. Then I've got some tubing here. They'll cut me a piece that'll fit in between these bolt holes and use some JB Weld stuff right here. I've already used this before on a truck I got. Somebody that had previously owned it ripped the hinges off of it, and I used this stuff to fix it, and it's been holding up probably since the 90s. So it's pretty good stuff. So I'll get this thing taken apart, and I'll probably have to make a part two, because I won't be able to hold the camera or the phone to make this video. But that's what I'm going to do, is take this part off, clean it up on the outside or inside in the rust, cut my bar stock, and put everything back in place, and of course have the JB Weld inside there, and clamp it down with a C-clamp and a block of wood, and probably put a rag under there to protect the paint. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'll make a part two if I got to. All right, appreciate it.